Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like buttons. Happy watching.
Already selling a crossover named Dolphin and a sedan named Seal, BYD is no stranger to aquatic vehicle names. The newest product from the Chinese automotive giant is a bit more aggressive, with BYD naming its new plug-in hybrid pickup truck Shark. It's important to note that the Shark won't be sold in the United States. It will be sold south of the border in Mexico, where BYD plans to build a new production facility in the coming months. From a design perspective, the Shark should fit right in, as should its 128.3-inch wheelbase. From the press photos we've seen, it has a rugged persona, with its boxy fenders and square-shaped headlights and taillights. We must say, though, those full-width lighting elements look an awful lot like the Ford F-15 Lightning's design. The Shark's front skid plate and the giant BYD text on the tailgate further help the resilient look of the pickup. Power comes from a 1.5-liter four-cylinder and a pair of electric motors. According to BYD, the Shark produces a combined 430 horsepower, though the company did not report a torque figure. Whatever that proves to be, BYD claims a towing capacity of 5,512 pounds and a maximum payload of 1,841 pounds. Sprinting to 62 miles per hour is estimated to take 5.7 seconds. The Shark touts impressive range figures for a plug-in hybrid pickup, which perhaps shouldn't come as a surprise, given that BYD is currently the world's largest electric vehicle manufacturer. According to the automaker, the Shark can travel 62 miles in electric-only mode. It's also said to be capable of going more than 520 miles with a full tank of gas and a fully charged battery. Another impressive feature for a plug-in is support for fast charging thanks to its CCS1 port. The Shark's cabin appears to be a mix of focus technology and rugged practicality. Rectangular air vents sit on either side of a bulbous dashboard, which itself extends out to highlight the rotating 12.8-inch infotainment touchscreen. It can be used in landscape or portrait mode and supports access for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A separate 10.3-inch digital gauge cluster sits behind the steering wheel. When the Shark goes on sale in Mexico a few weeks from now, there will be two options available, GL and GS. Both feature the same 430 horsepower powertrain. Reservations are open now, assuming you live in Mexico, with pricing starting at $53,938 at current exchange rates. BYD claims the Shark PHEV is the largest vehicle in its class. Measuring 54,575 mm long, 1971 mm wide, and 1925 mm tall, the Shark is indeed big. Compared to the GWM Cannon, the BYD Shark is longer by 47 mm, 37 mm wider, and 39 mm taller. This makes the BYD pickup larger than its other contemporaries, which include the Ford Ranger, Toyota Hilux, Nissan Navara, Isuzu D-Max, Mazda BT50, and the Mitsubishi Triton. Unlike most pickup trucks which have leaf springs in the back, the Shark PHEV actually has a fully independent rear suspension. This means it will likely have a more comfort-oriented ride, which will likely attract those that want a lifestyle pickup. BYD didn't mention anything about the Shark's bed size. However, we won't be surprised if it has bigger or similar dimensions compared to the GWM Cannon. Over to the vehicle's looks, the front fascia bears an uncanny resemblance to the Ford F-150, particularly the Lightning EV with its distinct LED daytime running lights. It also has a bold grille with the BYD letters proudly on display, rugged bumpers, and black body cladding on the wheel arches.
Thank you for subscribing and liking, commenting. See you in the next video.